In this video, I'm going to be going over what is a binary script, an executable argument, and an apt. I want to start with this. There's no such thing as programs in Unix, only binaries. There's no such things as lakes or seas or oceans or rivers or ponds. There's only water. Okay, so I want to credit Neko Mata on Discord who helped me work through this. So basically, what ended up happening is a guy was like, "There's no such thing as programs in Unix, only binaries," and it really threw me for a loop. And so this is what I'm working through right here. Binaries refer to the raw machine code in the form of zeros and ones that a computer CPU can directly execute. While binary data can technically be read by humans using tools like hex editors, it is not practical or intended for human comprehension. Binaries are usually created by assembling from assembly code or compiling from high-level programming languages into a format the CPU can understand. A script is a plain text file containing code written in an interpreted programming language, Python, JavaScript, or Bash. Unlike compiled code, scripts are executed line by line by an interpreter, which translates the instructions into machine code as the program runs. This means there are no separate binary files created beforehand. The script depends on the interpreter to execute. An executable argument is a parameter or input passed to a program, often a binary executable, to modify its behavior or to provide data when it runs. For example, in the command ls-l. L is the argument that alters the behavior of the ls program to display detailed file information. 4. An app, short for application, is a fully developed software program intended for end users. It typically consists of one or more compiled binaries along with supporting files like configuration files, libraries, DLL installers, and dependencies required for it to function. Apps can also be standalone, all components packaged together, or be dependent on external frameworks or runtimes. What is the difference? Binary is just a way of storing data. All of these are binary. They're just binary in different forms and in different steps of translation. Binary is machine code that the CPU understands. A script is binary, represented in the form of a programming language that you as a human user understand before it is interpreted, aka translated into machine code that the CPU understands. An executable argument is a binary in the form of programming language that you as a human user can understand. Also, it uses a program that is already compiled, so the CPU will understand binary of the pre-compiled program, but will still need bash whatever to interpret the programming language you are using to understand the rest. So an executable argument is binary in the form of programming language that you as a human understand. Also uses a program that is already compiled. So the CPU will understand the binary of the pre-compiled program, but will still need bash whatever to interpret to whatever programming language you are using to understand the rest of the instruction. Yeah. And then an app is a binary in the form of a finished program that is ready to be used by the end user. Again, credit to Nekomata on Discord for helping me figure this out.